Hello, my name's Matthew Southgate, and this video is about creating a Simatic Manager project containing a PLC. Let's do this. It's a Siemens S7 PLC. Okay, so to establish the settings that we'll be using, quickly fire up PROFINET. If you've not seen the previous video, then you won't have the information. Okay, quick network analysis. And on the right you can already see the names of the devices, what they are, and their IP addresses. So I'm going to want this to be 10. Sign that, there we go. And that is updated. Okay. That's the topology. That is how the devices are connected. I can minimize this now. And starting up Simatic Manager. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. And here we have a new project. I'm going to give you a project name. I'm going to call this Demo 2 and set where you're going to save your file. Okay, in the projects. Here's one I made earlier. And here we have the start. So from here we need to add some hardware and insert new object. Now the type of device we have is a Simatic can't see clearly here. So that is the PLC. The power supply is a PS307 5 amp. Okay, so starting with this 300 station, okay, and within there, double clicking, get into the hardware. Okay, maximize that screen. And drag this across. So what we want to first start with, the final part is the I/O, and we have 8 digital inputs and 5 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs, and connected to this simulation channel, which has rows of switches and LEDs as indicators. The actual options can be set here, how it's represented. That is driven by a 16 digital in or 16 digital out 24 volt DC. So now we're going to put those devices into the project. So going in through Simatic 300. Underpinning all of the equipment, you have a rail. Okay, and the rail is here. The equipment rests on the rail. The power supply is the 307 5A. Now I'm going to move this window slightly because in the bottom right hand corner you will see the description. There are different 307s, and there's an outdoor version and an extended range version. Okay, we will put this one in. The rack position that you can add it to is highlighted in green. Okay, drag and drop, or you can also double click. The next one is the CPU, which was specifically the CPU 314C-2 PNDP. And this too highlights it. Okay. Now we'll add the IP address, which I configured in PROFINET. .10. Okay. Remember to add a subnet network. Okay. That's it. That must be there. Click OK. So what that gives us now is the I/O and the standard ports that are connected to the device. Okay, these are the standards. So after that we have a which is configured for 8 digital in, 8 digital out, and that is here under DIO 300. 8 digital in, 8 digital out. Okay, and there we have it. That is the hardware included into the project, which can be configured. The name of the PLC is here. So by changing this and uploading it, that will change the name within that you'll see within PROFINET, because you cannot change the PLC name within PROFINET for the PLC. Okay, PNIO. Here you can also change various settings to do with the clock speeds and okay, click OK there. What you won't see here is the bus, the PROFINET bus that's connected to this PLC is here. It can be pulled out automatically with the auto range. Yes, there we have it. Okay, and from there we would add the Impact 20 device. I'll show you in another video how to install the GSDML files to do that. Thank you.